Water is essential to all life and well known for its capabilities as a solvent. But it's lesser known for its ability to receive and store electromagnetic waves. This seems to be crucial for all living organisms. It absorbs waves in different frequencies and transports this as information and energy to every biological system. As a consequence, our health is influenced by the balance and quality of water as a receiver of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are found in a spectrum in the universe, from radio waves to gamma rays, and the influences on life can vary from positive to negative. The natural electromagnetic waves create an optimal balance in water. In a balanced state, water is the perfect element of life in all shapes, forms, and sizes, from single-cell organisms like bacteria and algae to the largest mammals on Earth. But when water is negatively influenced by electromagnetic radiation, it can be harmful as well. In recent years, an international team of scientists have studied the effects of electromagnetic waves on water and its effects on biological systems. This is a fairly new field of study, and the preliminary results are unsettling and points at serious consequences for all life on our planet. Most concerning is the harmful effects on global food production and the risks of food scarcity and famine. Independent performed studies done at universities and qualified institutions all over the world have shown the effects of the electromagnetic spectrum on water, soil, plant life, food production, the human brain, the human gut microbiome, and the immune system. Key factor in all of these studies is the quality of water and its ability to absorb electromagnetic waves. But let's take a step back. What is it that makes the element of water a suitable receiver of electromagnetic waves? For that, we have to look at water at the atomic level. The water molecule is a binding of 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms. But these atoms are not bound in a static fashion. They resonate with electromagnetic waves, causing the atoms to vibrate in different ways. In a sense, this is a form of information storage. It's electromagnetic waves stored as the movement of atoms. If a group of water atoms moves in unison, it creates stable, coherent fields, gaining energy and promoting harmonic and healthy biological systems. We call this coherent water. But when water is influenced by unbalanced electromagnetic radiation, it can become chaotic, losing energy, which in turn has negative effects on biological systems. Before man-made technology, water was in balance due to the natural occurring electromagnetic waves that are abundant in the universe. But the rise of advanced technologies caused a disturbance in the electromagnetic spectrum surrounding our planet, causing water to fall into chaotic states. And like humans, all life on our planet is influenced by the quality of water, beginning with the smallest of life. Healthy soil is populated with thousands of different bacteria and fungi, and this diversity is critical in sustaining plant life. As water receives electromagnetic waves in its natural form, it is beneficial to all organisms, starting at life in the Earth's soil. With the rise of advanced man-made radio technology, especially with the introduction of 4G and 5G communication technology, there's a risk of disrupting the natural balance. We have tested the effects of these technologies on water, soil, plants, bacteria, and the human brain. The early results were concerning. It indicates that 5G is disrupting the natural balance of water and is creating an unbalance in bacterial and fungal life in the soil. This can give rise to uncontrolled growth of pathogens that will lead to more disease in plant and animal life, which in turn is threatening global harvest and animal stock, ultimately threatening the well-being of humans. This has cascading negative effects all along the food chain, from soil to plant life, animal life, and eventually to us humans. One of these effects is the disruption of the microbiome in our guts. The microbiome is maintained by a balanced diet of healthy food and water. But when this balance is disrupted, it will deteriorate the diversity of the microbiome and the body's resistance to illness and disease, both physically and mentally. The network of GSM transmitters has grown exponentially over the last 40 years, and with the recent introduction of 5G technology, this will grow even more. Thousands of satellites and the millions of transmitters on the planet's surface combined will form a ring of electromagnetic radiation around the planet. The constant emittance of high-frequency electromagnetic radiation on our surroundings will have a significant negative impact on water and all life on Earth. At this moment, there are already more than 4,550 satellites orbiting planet Earth. With the current developments in communication technology, this will grow to 100,000 satellites in just a few years. All these satellites are transmitting harmful electromagnetic radiation through the planet's atmosphere and disrupting the natural balance in rainwater in clouds, damaging the natural balance of water and life, affecting bacterial life present in the troposphere, all the way down to life in Earth's soil. This will have a huge impact on future harvests. The disruption of the natural balance by man-made electromagnetic radiation will hinder some species of bacteria, which in turn will benefit other, more harmful species. Experiments have shown that harmful bacteria like Candida albicans, E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus will thrive, where beneficial bacteria are reduced in numbers and diversity due to the effects of electromagnetic radiation. In experiments measuring the effects of intense 5G radiation on rainwater which was fed to plants, we have seen a significant decrease of energy levels in plant life. This can have serious implications for the world's food supply. The expansion of 5G networks, including satellites, and the constant electromagnetic radiation emitted will have a growing negative impact. The disruption of the natural balance in all forms of water, in clouds, rainwater, oceans, rivers, and lakes all over the planet will affect all life. As part of Earth's ecosystem, we can't ignore what is happening to our planet.